Converting improper fractions to mixed numbers sounds complicated, right? It's not. There is a simple pattern. Learn it once, use it forever. In this video, I'll show you both directions, from improper to mixed numbers and from mixed numbers to improper fractions. You'll need this for adding and subtracting fractions later. Let's go. First direction, improper fraction to mixed number. Here's the rule. Divide numerator by denominator. Answer will be whole number, remainder will be new numerator, and denominator stays the same. Let's see it in action. Example, 13 fifths. Divide 13 by 5. How many times does 5 go into 13? 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 is already too big. So 5 goes into 30 2 times with 3 left over. So answer is whole number 2, remainder is new numerator, and denominator stays the same. Visual check. Imagine you have 13 oranges. You're putting them in bags. Each bag holds 5 oranges. How many full bags can you make? 2 full bags plus 3 loose oranges. That's 2 and 3 fifths. Makes sense, right? Another one. 9 fourths. Divide 9 by 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 goes into 9 2 times with 1 left over. Answer 2, remainder 1. Pro tip, before converting, check if you can reduce first. Example, 40 24ths. They both divide by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So 40 24ths is 5 thirds. Now convert. 5 divided by 3 is 1 and 2 remainder. Much easier than working with 40 and 24, right? Always reduce first if you can. Now the opposite direction, mixed number to improper fraction. Here's the pattern. We multiply whole by denominator, then add numerator, and we'll get new numerator. Denominator stays the same. Let's try it. Example, 4 and 1/3. Step 1. Multiply whole by denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. Step 2. Add the numerator. 12 plus 1 is 13. Step 3. Put over the same denominator. 13 thirds. Think of it like this. You have 4 pizzas. Each pizza is cut into 3 slices. 4 pizzas times 3 slices each is 12 pieces. Plus 1 extra slice, 13 total. All slices are thirds, so 13 thirds. Another one. 5 wholes, 2 sevenths. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. And put over the same denominator. 5 and 2 sevenths equals 37 sevenths. And last one. 6 and 4 fifths. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. And put that number over the 5. See the pattern? Same steps every time. Let's recap. Improper to mixed. Divide numerator by denominator. Answer is whole number. Remainder is new numerator. And denominator stays the same. From mixed to improper. Multiply whole by denominator, add numerator, and the result goes over the same denominator. Denominator never changes in either direction, and always reduce first if you can. In the next video, adding and subtracting fractions. You will use today's skills constantly. Answer is improper? Convert to mixed. This is the foundation. Want to practice? I made a worksheet with 16 problems, 8 for each direction, from easy to hard, full solutions. It's a $5 a month for this and all my other worksheets. Link in the description. See you next time.